My name is Jake Avila, and I'm a college professor now, but my background is in the restoration industry. So I grew up in the industry, working in the family business in Southern California. Decided to get into teaching some years ago, just really fell into it. But when I got into teaching, I decided that everything I did, from my research to just industry engagement, I wanted to still be tied to the restoration industry. And so since I've been teaching, that really has been my focus. And really the central part of that focus has been on bringing a restoration degree program to colleges and universities. And so I'm currently an associate professor of construction management at Middle Tennessee State University. And we would just be really excited if we could be the first restoration industry management program in the country. So I'm here at the RIA conference to just share that vision with the industry and just everything that we would hope for with that. A central part of it is we also want the industry to be to be speaking into it. So what does the curriculum look like? What exactly are we going to call the degree concentration? We've already been able to map out a lot of those details, but as those details are finalized, it's really important that we have industry involvement. So the stakeholders, RIA, and just various members of the industry, company owners, managers have been just awesome to deal with. And so we really appreciate the opportunity to be here, the opportunity to elevate that message and to just get it on the radar of more people. So we just can't thank the RIA enough, and for just all the staff and the board. You guys have been absolutely awesome, and we really appreciate it.